welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded, but today this is a look that I came up with. If you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Okay, so today we're gonna go in with the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, and for the first color I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Honest Truth. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and put that right here. And like always, putting it higher. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with Chanel, which is this color right here, with another fluffy brush, and put that in the same area.
Slow down, no, we're on the right track, on our way down.
So the next two colors I'm gonna take with this brush is Mr. Diva and Boss Angeles, which is, oops, I scratched it. It's these two shades right here. So we're gonna mix it together and put it in the crease to deepen it up.
Down, yeah. Follow me through the sunset, where I forget my worries with you. Oh, I love how we connect. I confess, a little bit obsessed with you.
A little bit of Boss Angeles, which is this orange shade right here. We're gonna take a little bit of that by itself and put that there also. And now I'm gonna go at the edges, of course, to blend again. Make sure it's blown out. I've dragged it towards the front a little. I'm gonna take Hi Dude, this color right here, with this fluffy brush, and I'm gonna deepen it just a tiny little bit, just a little bit more. That's going in the outer corner. We're gonna take it into the crease slightly. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna take the concealer and my brush that I use to do my cut creases and cut the crease real quick. The shade that I'm gonna use is called Designer Label, and it's this one right here. And I'm gonna use my finger to just pack that where I added the concealer. Okay. We're gonna go in with another brush with the same color, Hi Dude, which is this one, and blend this together. And we have to make sure to blend the edges.
Let go of the past. No time for.
I already did both eyes. I fixed up the top. I used my thin little paintbrush with a little bit of Hi Dude just to deepen it up a bit. And now we're gonna go in with our primer, and I'm gonna use the Honey Do Me Up from NYX.
So follow me through the sunset, where I forget my worries with you. Oh, I love how we come.
want to use the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I'm going to use it in the center of my face, on my nose, a little on my forehead, a little on the chin, and my cheeks. Okay, so I already wet my sponge, and the foundation that I'm going to be using today is, like always, the Wet n Wild foundation, the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. Okay, so I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola contour stick. This is the first time I'm going to use it, so hopefully it comes out fine. So I'm going to put it in the areas that I usually put contour. But I'm going to use the e.l.f. Small stipple brush to blend it out. Put a little bit first and I'm going to blend it. I think it blended nice. Camo concealer, but I got a new one. This is in the shade Light Peach. Okay, so to set that, I'm going to use my Fenty powder and butter. And lightly set the rest of my face. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and dust away all the powder. My angled brush and my Physicians Formula bronzer, but I'm not gonna put as much because I already added the contour stick, so I don't want to darken it up a lot. Just add a little bit. Going with my sponge and the powder, like always, just to clean up the bottom of it. I'm going with my highlight brush and my Wet n Wild highlight in Precious Petals, the usual. The sunset where I forget my worries with you. Oh, I love how we connect. I confess a little bit obsessed with you. You're one of a kind. Need you on my side. For blush, I'm gonna go on with the NYX Sweet Cheeks matte blush in Daydream. So this blush, big fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna just put this on my cheeks. A lot of this powdery look, I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's the aloe, green tea, and cucumber one. Mr. Diva, which is a light shade that we use, this shade right here, so we're going to use that on the lower lash line. We're going to take this Luxie 249 brush and we're going to use the fluffy side. We're going to take a little bit of Mr. Diva and put that there. take this brush, and I'm gonna take Los Angeles, which is the color that we used also, the one on the side of that, this one. And we're gonna put that on the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hi Dude, and I'm gonna put that closest to the lashes. Okay, I'm gonna take Welcome and put it on the inner corner. I'm gonna put a thin line on the top of my lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes. They're from Thick Doll Lashes, and these are them. These are really fluffy. If anybody likes the really dramatic lashes, these are more of the simple, smaller lashes, but that are still fluffy and long. She has way more that are bigger and more fluffy and spread out, so check them out. Okay, so the lashes are on, and now usually I would go in with, more of a nude color, but this time, hopefully, let's see how it looks. I want to go in with a black liner, so I'm going to take the Smashbox Always On Gel Liner, the same one that I used on my eyes, and this is just, it's called Fishnet, but it's black, so I'm going to take this and line my lips. And I'm going to fill in my lips with this. My concealer brush and just clean up the edges. This is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't uploaded in a pretty long time, but what you think about it in the comments down below. Let me know any other ideas you guys have. I know this is a pretty different look. I don't know, I just felt like doing something different. Usually I've been going for a nude lip, but since it's Halloween, I felt like it was a perfect time to try something new. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next one.